Hello?
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing. I'm trying to call babe and he's not picking up. I don't know, like we're supposed to hook up but he's not answering his phone.
Girl, you need to just relax. You're always an overreact. The man love you. I don't know why you think cause you know say sometime as woman we always feel like something is happening. There's nothing happening, girl. He's in love with you, like so deep in love. You just need to give him some space and he'll come to you.
I think maybe he's cheating on me.
You know the man why you, girl. The man why you bad. I yell when the man love.
I know, thanks. I know he's probably not cheating, but like, you know, I get what you're saying and I appreciate it, obviously. That's why you're my friend. Ow.
You're welcome, babe. You know I'm here for you anytime.
Thanks for being my best friend and I'll see you later. Bye.
Later.
Alright.
Babe, so what's that?
Nobody, babe. It was just a work call.
Work call?
Yeah, nothing serious, nothing serious.
Oh, okay. You want to for dinner?
You wanna cook for me?
I'll cook for you.
Yeah, babe, cook for me.